Hello, still on my video on getting started with Geogebra. Let me demonstrate something for us to watch and you enjoy it in your lesson. All right, so this is Geogebra up now. Let's do something. Let's take, for example, you want to teach graph with your students, just basic mathematics graph. Let's take a linear graph, for example. The first thing is for you to have the linear equation, just like something like this, maybe y equals to, let's just say 2x, let's say minus 3. So you can see as you type your equation here, it's coming out in this place. So this is the graph, just a simple linear graph. So y equals to 2x minus 3. And if you observe one thing in GeoGebra, as you plot the graph, you can see that the graph line continues without end. So it just keeps going without end. But if you want to put a particular point, maybe a starting point and a ending point, something like the values for x, just come here and open your brackets, then type in your duration. Let's say I want my x to start from -2 and let's say at +3, just put -2, then put less than. You can see or you use your keyboard in your work, in your GeoGebra keyboard to input, or use your laptop keyboard. So just say less than equals to. Immediately you press the less than equal to symbol on your keyboard, it will appear like this. Then let's say x, then less than equals to again, let's say 3. And as you tap the enter button, you observe what just happened. So you can see the duration stops here. So this is +3, this is -2, but there's something that you can see here. This is also part of the line, but it's affecting our work. It's not making your presentation look nice. So to remove this line, this other line, so that your graph will come out neatly the way you want it, to come here also. So this time around, just do your close bracket. So immediately you do your close bracket, you can see the 2x minus 3 is in bracket. So just click your enter button. So your graph has come out the way you want it. That means your interval for your equation is y equals to 2x minus 3. The graph should start from -2 and stop at +3. You can also do a slow plot. For example, let's take the point. For example, let's say when y is, for example, let's take when x is 1. So when x is 1, y is going to be -1. Y is going to be -1. That is this point. So let's just put some point, for example. Let me just put them. Let's take this point. 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 Then let's take this point. So if you want to show the slow plot of this, all you need to do, come to your input bar here, just type SLO, normal slow. Before you finish typing your slow, you will see slow plot will appear here. Then slow plot in bracket function. And what is the function? This is the function. The function is labeled as f. So just click on this, just type f and click on enter. So a slider will be created. You see the slider, and the graph is being plotted. So that is how to do your slow plot. You can come here and stop it, then close your graphical view, and this is your graph. If you want to hide the label of this point, just click on it, come to these 3 lines here. You see this, you can hide, or you can right click on your screen, right click and drag so that you highlight all of them at once. Right click and drag, you see they are all highlighted. Come here, hide all the labels. So only the point is appearing. So you can take your time with your student, hold the slider, you are explaining the point. As you drag the slider, just watch, see, the plot have started moving, or you can use your arrow button in your keyboard and be tapping it gradually. See, it's plotting your point slowly for you, and that is that. So this is another key thing you can do in your class to show your children how to do slow plot when it comes to GeoGebra graphics in your classroom. So that is all I have for this video, how to plot a simple linear equation using GeoGebra in your classroom. Thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.